This is a tutorial from BattleBite. This video will cover target ranging and how to use a calibrated scope reticle in Expert Rifleman. Let's begin at our main menu. You will notice we have three maps to choose from. We will choose the dynamic target map, and at our ammunition selection menu we will load .338 Lapua ammo. This will take us to the environmental conditions menu, where we can change various settings including temperature, wind speed and direction, and conditions under which the rifle was zeroed. For our current tutorial, we will keep the default values and click on Set Environmental Data button. We are now at the menu where we select our scope. Notice on the right is the static ballistic chart button. This allows a drop-down menu where wind speed, direction, and bore angle can be set for the ballistic chart, which will be used in the simulation. The use of a static ballistic chart means that the values for wind speed, wind direction, and bore angle are fixed and will not change on the ballistic chart that is used during the simulation. I will click off the static chart button to allow changes in wind to be updated during the simulation. We will choose a first focal plane scope and begin. If you are not familiar with the interface of Expert Rifleman, it would be useful to review our video on program interface and how to navigate within the program. Many factors have to be taken into consideration to accurately shoot at long range. Expert Rifleman can determine the distance or range the shooter is from the target by pointing at the target and pressing R on the keyboard. The distance will show up at the right of the scope. Pressing R simulates the use of a laser range finder. You will notice that below the range, the bore angle of the scope continually refreshes. The range can also be found by using mils in a mil.dot scope. The layout of the scope's reticle is shown in the lower right. The height of the targets used in Expert Rifleman is shown just above. On the screen is a green target with a hostage. The observed height of the target is just under 3 mils, or approximately 400 yards using the values from the ballistic chart above. If a MOA scope is used, the values will be shown in MOA. Once you have the range of the target, either by pressing R on your keyboard or by using mils, you can use the ballistic chart's drop and drift values to adjust the scope or the position of the scope. The holdover method involves your repositioning your scope by the values in the chart, in this case 2.2 mils above and 1.6 mils to the left. The other method would be to re-zero your scope to 400 yards by using the arrow keys to move the scope's turrets and then repositioning the crosshairs onto the target. This has been a video tutorial from BattleBite on target ranging and how to use a scope reticle in Expert Rifleman. Expert Rifleman provides numerous target shooting scenarios that can help you become an expert rifleman. Please take a look at our other videos. Thanks for watching.